In the process of laughter, we are pushing out all the carbon dioxide from our lungs. So it's like, squeezing all the air from your lungs. And that is very beneficial because each and every alveoli in our lungs is given an exercise in that process. Through the breathing, we can control our internal organs. All the carbon dioxide goes out of our system, and then automatically the fresh oxygen has to be inhaled. That recharges each and every alveoli in our lung. That is very beneficial. And then automatically, when you laugh 15 minutes every day, automatically there are some lines which are formed on your face. These are called laugh lines. And laugh lines make you very attractive, Your internal glow will be so much that you don't need any chemicals, These are chemicals. This will be harmful to the. Everybody knows that, and still one has to apply to look beautiful. So if you have a beautiful soul, if you have a beautiful body, if you have a beautiful face, what is the need to have cosmetics? Each and every soul, when I speak to them, I see purity. There is a lot of good ambition, good intentions behind every soul. A lot of energies disrupt our intentions. So we are going to get rid of the negative energies. Exactly. So let us behave like 2-year-old. The person doesn't know any language. Yeah. So they utter gibberish. All right?
My son is exactly 2 years old, so okay. I can behave very well like him.
So very good.
That's Tamil gibberish. Yeah. Can you have Hindi gibberish? Hindi gibberish.
And we are going to go very deep into the science behind happiness, science behind laughter. And we are also going to have excellent exercises on the WhatsApp. In the process of doing that exercise, you will get a lot of happiness. Participants are welcome to create their happiness and laughter videos, which will be uploaded. And those will be also mandatory for the people who join the program, because we want to evaluate how seriously you are doing the happiness. Because as I say, laughter is a serious business. And then you'll have access to all the happiness videos which have been created already. And we will be creating more also. Sandeep had seen some of those videos. So Sandeep, can you share the experience that you got out of seeing those videos?
There is a lot of depth in this, and I was able to appreciate that. Mm-hmm. Because it is not just about laughing. It is just about laughing, but it is about understanding the relationship of laughter with breathing, with the air circulation, with our emotions, and that really helps people heal at a reasonably deep level, I would say. So those are the two things that I would take away.
Thank you very much, Sandeep. Thanks for the nice testimonial that you gave us.
मुझको तो बड़ा मजा आता है. It is a source of great happiness. It is a feeling of abundance. It is heartwarming.
तो ड्रेन ड्रॉप का क्या एक्सपीरियंस है आपका? जब बारिश आती है, आप बारिश में भीगते हैं तो कैसा लगता है?
We become like a child.
ये बात तालियां होनी चाहिए. कि हमें ये सारा गेम कर क्यों रहे हैं? to invoke the child within us. जो हमारे जो बच्चा है हमारे अंदर, जो कहते हैं दिल तो बच्चा है जी, अगर हम उसको जगा देते हैं तो आपकी दुनिया में खुशियां ही खुशियां होंगी और कुछ नहीं करना है. दिस इज द वन की यू कैन गारंटी लाइफ टाइम हैप्पीनेस.
देवानंद पिक्चर ना,
देवानंद, अरे वाह, देखिए,
एवरग्रीन.
फूलों के रंग से दिल की कलम से तुझको लिखी रोज पाती, कैसे बताऊं किस किस तरह से, पल पल तू मुझे कैसे सताती, तेरे सपने लेकर के सोया, तेरी ही यादों में जागा, तेरे ख्यालों में उलझा रहा मैं, जैसे माला में धागा. बादल बिजली चंदन पानी जैसा अपना प्यार लेना होगा, जन्म हमें कई कई बार.
बहुत बढ़िया.
ऐसे मस्ती करेंगे हम. डू दैट विद मी, एवरीबॉडी जॉइन मी. And then we were doing some pranayam, and then it ended again on the laughter, like this. Do that with me. Please stand up, everybody. जब आप ऐसे करते हैं तो आपके lungs expand a lot, so they are ready to take in more and more oxygen. So it's a breathing exercise also. So let's laugh again. Okay, great. So when we went there, the ladies in the house were busy. They were squeezing the juice out of the ripe mangoes. Imagine this is a glass and this is a mango. So let's squeeze this and laugh with it. And then imagine this glass is full of the mango juice, and then we take another glass, and then we will have to mix it because the blenders were not in vogue. To mix karte the, like this. And these mangoes were so ripe that there was no need to add any sugar in it. And there was, because these were chilled mangoes and the milk was also chilled, there was no need to put the ice also. Drink was heavenly. We started sipping it. Sometimes I go crazy, I go mad, I never know when to stop. We had lots of fun, and this day I can never forget in my entire life. So whenever there is a mention of yoga, I remember this day. Whenever there is a mention of laughter, I think about this day. Whenever there is a mention of mango shake, I think about this day. So this day has changed my life. So this is how the memories are created. Now you, as a parent, has the responsibility to create such good memories in your children. Do you promise me that?
Yes.
Please raise your hands. Clap for your children. It brings a lot of happiness for all of us. So it is our responsibility that their life is full of happiness like my father did for me, we are going to do for all our children. We are going to raise them in such a way that they are able to recall such glorious moments of their life, because the glorious moments of your life in the childhood, they are etched in your mind. They can never be taken away. In the parlance of computer technology, it is called ROM, read only memory. That can be never erased. जो ROM होती है, that is created early in your childhood.
आपके रोम में बस जाती है वो.
बिल्कुल. तालियां आपके. DNA तक चला जाता है वो.
Good fun.
Yeah. तो आपने जो ब्रोम ब्रोम बोला तो मुझे एक गाना याद आ गया. Are you ready to listen another song?
Yeah.
मेरे रोम रोम में बसने वाले राम, जगत के स्वामी तुम अंतर्यामी, तुझसे क्या मांगू मैं तुझसे क्या मांगू. थैंक यू संदीप. मजा आ गया. Each picture on this screen is full of my stories, and if you want to read all the stories, you better buy my book. तो सुबह उठ के आपको क्या करना है? Every day you have to laugh for 15 minutes. What you have to do?
Laugh for 15 minutes.
Yeah, laugh for 15 minutes. क्यों? कि जैसे हम सुबह उठ के हम बोलते हैं मॉर्निंग रिचुअल्स, जैसे कई लोग कहते हैं अफर्मेशंस लिखना है सुबह उठ के ग्रेटिट्यूड डायरी लिखनी है, सुबह उठ के हमें मेडिटेशन करनी है, सुबह उठ के योगा करना है, सुबह उठ के जिम जाना है, सुबह उठ के वॉक करना है, सुबह उठ के बीवी को किस करना है, whatever it is, right? Right? So we must also add that laughter to that list. Will you add that?
Yeah.
How many of you are ready? क्या है, जब हमें पता है जो 15 मिनट की शुरुआत जो हम करते हैं दिन की, अगर खुशी से करते हैं तो पूरा दिन हमारा कैसा जाता है? खुशी वाला जाता है. जब हम ये 24 घंटे का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, सिर्फ हम सुबह 15 मिनट के लिए हंसेंगे, 24 घंटे तक वो उसकी बैटरी रिचार्ज करनी, अगले दिन हम
बैटरी रिचार्ज करनी है,
लाफ करना है. तो क्या होगा, हर दिन अगर हम ये रिन्यू करते हैं, हम जैसे मोबाइल को अपना रिचार्ज करते हैं एवरीडे, तो हम अपना लाफ्टर डोज भी रिचार्ज करना है. ठीक है, आज से हमारा ये वादा रहा. तो क्या होगा, हर दिन जो बाकी का रह गया है वो हमारा खुशियों से भरा रहेगा. तो इस बात पे तालियां बनती हैं. Now, do you agree that money is a byproduct of happiness? Yes. So we'll
yes.
go and talk about little bit more in detail. So can we measure the level of our happiness? And I've created a system for that purpose as a part of my book, Laugh Lines. And money is not the most important thing in the world. Love is. And I love money.
I love money.
How many of you love money? Please raise your hands. All of us. Okay, now let us start with the 5-step system of generating happiness for every day of your life, where the money will fall on you like raindrops. So if we start, like I said, हम laughter से happiness journey start कर सकते हैं every morning. So this is what we are going to do in the top circle. So we start with the happiness, and happiness will give you the enthusiasm. Do you agree? Happiness will give you enthusiasm for the,
yes.
It will recharge you for the whole day. जो भी आपने सोच रखा है आप करेंगे, आपने एक डे प्लानर रखा होगा, उस पे आप नोट कर लेंगे. Once you add all the items that you plan for that day, it gives you a lot of happiness. So you start with the happiness, laughter and enthusiasm, and then it will give you motivation to work. It will give you a lot of fuel for you activities. Do you agree?
Yeah.
And then it will bring positivity in you, because you are an organized person. You planned your day, you started the day with happiness, and you are motivated and you are fully enthusiastic. That will give you positivity. जो भी negative ख्याल जो होता है ना, anger है, वो अपने आप भाग जाएगा. जो jealousy है वो खत्म हो जाएगी. जो आपके अंदर hatred है वो आएगा ही नहीं. All the negative will disappear from your life. Do you agree? Then it will lead you to the better efficiency. Yes. जब आपने सारा कुछ ऑर्गेनाइज कर लिया, आप सही टाइम पे इवन ऑफिस पहुंच गए 5 मिनट पहले जो आपने सोचा हुआ था, और आपने सबको स्माइल करके लाफ करके ग्रीट किया है. सो जब आप काम करेंगे तो आपका काम करने में मन लगेगा और आपकी एफिशिएंसी बहुत बढ़ जाएगी. जो आपको एक दिन में काम करना था, हो सकता है आधे दिन में ही खत्म हो जाए. डू यू एग्री? एफिशिएंसी बढ़ जाती है. If you are working for yourself then you can demand more work from you also, you can generate more work. So either way, whether you're working for someone or you're working for yourself, you are going to get better performance. This excellent performance will give you better feedback. If you're working for your corporate job, then you get the better feedback from your boss. And if you're working for yourself, you're getting the better feedback from your clients. So either way, you're going to get better feedback. Once you get the good feedback, then you are in the limelight. You will be shining like a rising star. And then it will give you recognition. It will give you name and fame. How many of you would like to have name and fame and recognition? Please clap your hand. Now, if you get all this, money is going to flow to you like raindrops. Raindrops falling on your head. Raindrops falling on your head. पैसों की बारिश होने वाली है. अगर आप लाफ करते हैं तो आपका कोरोना वायरस आपके पास टच भी नहीं करेगा. It can't touch you. Why? Because you are doing all the immunity enhancing exercise. Now everybody stand up. Everybody stand up, please. So let's do this. Very good. Very good. Yay! Very good.
Very good.
Yay!